Write the expression for the equilibrium constant for the reaction in terms of partial pressures, i.e., Kp. Kp equals P, NH3, P, HCl. 1 point is earned for correct equation. Brackets, earn 0 points. Parentheses are acceptable. Calculate the partial pressure of NH3 in atm at equilibrium at 575 Kelvin. 0.0792 equals P, NH3, P, HCl equals x to the power 2. X equals 0.281 atmospheres. 1 point is earned for correct numerical result. A small amount of NH3 is injected into the equilibrium mixture in the 3.0 liters container at 575 Kelvin. As the new equilibrium is being established at 575 Kelvin, does the amount of NH₄Cl in the container increase, decrease, or remain the same? Justify your answer. After the new equilibrium is established at 575 Kelvin, is the value of Kp greater than, less than, or equal to the value before the NH3 was injected into the container? Justify your answer. Increase. Upon addition of NH3, the reaction will proceed to the left to return to equilibrium. This will result in an increase in NH₄Cl. 1 point is earned for correct choice with explanation. The same. The equilibrium constant is unaffected by change in concentration or pressure. Only changes in temperature affect K. 1 point is earned for correct choice with explanation. When the temperature of the container is lowered to 500 Kelvin, the number of moles of NH3 in the container decreases. On the basis of this observation, is the decomposition of NH₄Cl endothermic or exothermic? Justify your answer. Endothermic. A decrease in T causes a reaction originally at equilibrium to proceed in the exothermic direction. Since the decrease in T in this case causes the reaction to proceed toward reactants, the forward reaction must be endothermic. 1 point is earned for correct choice with explanation. In another experiment, 20.00 milliliters of 0.800 molar NH₄Cl is prepared. The ammonium ion reacts with water according to the equation NH4 plus H2O is in equilibrium with NH3 plus H3O plus. Calculate the value of the equilibrium constant for the reaction of the ammonium ion with water. At 25 degrees Celsius, the value of Kb for NH3 is 1.8 times 10 to the power negative 5. Chi equals Kw slash Kb equals 1.00 by 10 to the power negative 14 / 1.8 by 10 to the power negative 5 is equal to 5.6 times 10 to the power negative 10. 1 point is earned for correct numerical result. A solution is prepared by mixing 20.0 milliliters of 0.800 molar NH3 with 20.0 milliliters of 0.800 molar NH₄Cl. Assume that volumes are additive. Is the solution acidic, basic, or neutral? Justify your answer. Calculate the pH of the solution that would result from adding 0.0200 moles of HCl to the solution. Assume that the addition of the HCl does not change the volume of the solution. Basic. Ka equals H3O plus NH3 / NH4 plus. In this case, NH3 sad face NH4 plus. So Ka sad face H3O plus. Thus pH equals pK. pK equals log Ka equals dash minus 9.26 equals 9.26. Or Kb for the weak base is larger than Ka for the weak acid, so the solution must be basic. 1 point is earned for indicating that pH equals pK. 1 point is earned for correct choice based on correctly calculating or noting the value of pH. NH3 plus H plus gives NH4 plus. I. 0.0160, 0.0200, 0.0160, C. Minus 0.0160, minus 0.0160, plus 0.0160. E 0, 0.0040, 0.0320. H3O plus equals 0.0040 divided by 0.040 is equal to 0.10 molar. pH equals 1.00. 1 point is earned for correct calculation of moles or concentration of reactants prior to reaction. 1 point is earned for correct numerical value of pH.